A couple of days ago, one of my friends was shopping for a present. He wanted to give it to his mother on her birthday. After hours of surfing, he finally found a pendant on Amazon. He loved it, so he went on to buy that. But when he reached the checkout page, his heart sank as he was short of a couple of bucks. I was sitting right beside him, so he looked at me. I smiled and told him about the secret tool that I have been using this year. He quickly downloaded it, and within a couple of seconds, he found the perfect coupon code. Not only did it cover the cost he was lacking, but it also saved him some bucks. To make matters sweeter, he also got a cashback reward and saved tons of hours looking for a coupon code himself. That's why today, I want to tell you about the secret tool so you can shop, save time, money, and make your friends and family happy. That secret tool is Coupert, the sponsor of today's video. There are 3 core features of Coupert. Number 1 is to get you the best coupon within seconds. It automatically tests the available coupons and gives you the best one. On average, Coupert saves 30 to 45 minutes for each user that they might have spent on finding a coupon. Number 2 is cashback offers. On the page, you can easily find all the cashback offers that are available for each store. Number 3 is price comparison. Coupert finds the best deal by comparing it with all the stores on the internet. Even if you can save $1, Coupert will show it to you. It is so simple to install and use, so let me show you real quick. It is not a random extension. It has close to 9 million users and over 200,000 merchants that are available worldwide. The best part, it is completely free. Go to your browser and search Coupert. Take a look at this red logo and click on the website. Just click on Add and the new tab will pop up. Click on Add to Browser and after a couple of seconds, the extension will be added, and now you just need to sign up. You can sign up with anything like Google, Facebook, Apple, and much more. After signing up, you will see all the merchants connected with Coupert. Let's go to Crocs. Here I found this kid's classic clog. After going to the checkout page, Coupert pops up and it suggests that it has found some coupons. Then it checks all of them one by one until it finds the best deal. Just wait a second here and you will get the best coupons. Within a few seconds, I get a discount. Now, Coupert is not just for coupons. It also compares other stores and finds the best deal for you. Like here, I have my dream laptop, but wait, it's too expensive. So I will click on my Coupert extension and boom, I can save $84 on another store. Although I still can't buy, Coupert does makes it less expensive. Coupert also allows you to get cashback rewards like here. Coupert is showing a cash reward, so just activate it to get the cash back. But remember that the cashback takes around 15 days. However, you can get it faster with more shopping. So more shopping is equal to more cash. If you go to the home page of Coupert, you will see all the merchants that are connected with them. You can find all the big names here like Walmart, Target, Amazon, and some you have never heard of. It also has an earning option where you can earn money by just submitting some reviews. Coupert is not like other extensions who steal money even from their customers. So, if you really want to save up this year, make sure to buy everything using Coupert coupons because it is too good while being true. Link is in the description.